owls, and happy early Halloween. I'm really excited about this look because this is the first time I've actually used liquid latex, and it was a lot easier than I thought to use. I tried to make kind of like a bullet hole or hole in my face, and basically I just use a Q-tip and cotton. Now I wanted to go for like a pop art zombie green look, so I found a picture to kind of look at as reference, and I really honestly combined so many different types of makeup. I had some water-based face paint. I also used some kind of oil-based white makeup, and I even used my Jeffree Star palette, my artistry palette. So it is kind of like a combination of lots of different things. I used the black liner to kind of draw an outline, but then I had to kind of go back over and paint over parts of it. And then just for a little added effect, I used some vampire blood, which was kind of a really, really dark black kind of a blood. But overall, I love the way it looks, and this was just practice, so I do plan on doing it again. So if you like this crazy look, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.